dici?
Rimango senza parole.
So, Cattolica.
Come lo dici bene?
Sounds so great they named it twice.
Come lo dici bene, cattolica? Sono io cattolica.
Does that mean that everybody is a Catholic here?
Sì.
You know, we're all Catholics on the stage, you know that. Even Nick.
Nick's a big Bible basher.
Nick Rhodes is the only person I know who actually has like the hotel staff come and remove the Bible from his bedroom. Just take this away, please. What is it? You didn't ask for it, did you, Nick? We're going to try the Fender Stratocaster.